Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my video. I'm Sammy. I have Andrew behind the camera here. We're at Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon. You may know us as your premium pre-owned superstore, and today we're going to give you a brief interior tour of this 2021 Unity twin bed. It's on the Mercedes chassis here. It does have the newer upgraded platform, but it still is the 6-cylinder. Power seats, they swivel around to make a nice dining area here. 2 additional belted seats. You have a sleeping space here as well. And then you've got your nice corner kitchen, solid surface countertop, large fridge freezer. We'll have Andrew kind of work his way into the back there, or actually I will step ahead of him. Nope, what are we doing? You have your separate toilet here, as well as a nice large shower stall. Again, you're about 25 feet in overall length. I won't show you, but this does go off here, and then it connects, and then it can make kind of like an ensuite, if you will. 2 large twin beds, makes into a king if need be. Plenty of storage. You have nice pass-through storage in the back as well. Plenty more to talk about. Again, a 2021 Leisure Travel Unity twin bed. Give us a call. Thanks so much for watching.